Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet security. Today, we're tackling something super timely: how to move XDC to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, keeping your XDC tokens, Zinfin's native cryptocurrency, safe on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a game changer. It's not just about storage, it's about peace of mind in an increasingly digital landscape. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X ready. If it's new, unbox it and follow the initial setup prompts on the device. You'll need to create a PIN and back up your recovery phrase. Treat that like your crypto's secret sauce. Once that's done, connect your Ledger to your computer using the USB cable. Next, head over to the Ledger Live app on your computer. If you don't have it, download it from the official Ledger website to avoid any shady downloads. In Ledger Live, search for the XDC app and install it directly onto your Nano X. This step is crucial because not all wallets support XDC, but Ledger does, making it a top choice for 2025's security standards. Now, open the XDC app on your Ledger device. Your screen will show the wallet interface. Double-check that it's the real deal. From here, navigate to get your XDC wallet address. It should display a unique string of characters. Copy this carefully, as it's your transfer destination. Head to your exchange or current XDC wallet, whether it's on Binance, Coinbase, or elsewhere. Go to the withdrawal section, select XDC as the asset, paste in your Ledger wallet address, and double the amount. Don't forget to add any network fees. In 2025, transaction speeds are faster, but costs can vary. Hit confirm on the withdrawal, and watch the magic happen. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's through, verify the balance on your Ledger app to ensure everything's secure. Wrapping this up, moving XDC to your Ledger Nano X is a smart move for long-term security, especially with emerging threats in 2025. Always double-check addresses to avoid scams, and never share your recovery phrase. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.